Welcome to this edition of Let's Decode This Architecture. This is Rodriguez Manuel da Silva with Cloud and Technology. Today's architecture to decode is shown on the screen. This is another submission by Jiju Thomas Mathew, an expert in architecting complex solutions on AWS. Scan the QR code displayed near his avatar image to find him on Google search. Let's analyze the architecture for validating email and mobile using the OTP method on AWS serverless. API Gateway acts as the entry point for incoming requests. It receives requests for generating OTP and verifying OTP, and forwards them to the corresponding Lambda functions. AWS Lambda, generate OTP function. This Lambda function generates a random OTP, one-time password, and saves it to DynamoDB along with the user's email or mobile number as the primary key. It sets a TTL, time to live, attribute on the DynamoDB item to ensure the OTP expires after a specified duration. AWS Lambda, verify OTP function. When a user submits an OTP for verification, this Lambda function retrieves the OTP from DynamoDB based on the user's email or mobile number. It compares the submitted OTP with the one stored in DynamoDB and returns the verification result. DynamoDB stores OTPs along with the corresponding user's email or mobile number. The TTL attribute ensures that expired OTPs are automatically deleted from the database. DynamoDB Streams trigger another Lambda function whenever a new item is added or removed from the OTP table. AWS Lambda, OTP Handler. This Lambda function is triggered by DynamoDB Streams whenever an OTP item expires or is created. It determines whether to send an SMS or an email notification to the user using External Service APIs or AWS SES, Simple Email Service, based on the type of contact information, mobile number or email, stored in the DynamoDB item. Since OTP expiration is of no concern, it can be skipped. This architecture leverages AWS serverless services to provide a scalable, reliable, and cost-effective solution for OTP validation. It ensures that OTP generation and verification processes are executed efficiently while allowing for seamless integration with external services for sending notifications. Additionally, the use of DynamoDB with TTL attributes simplifies the management of OTP expiration and cleanup. Stay tuned for more like this. Expect to be here every Monday at 9 o'clock with a new episode of Decode This Architecture. Like, share, subscribe, comment to keep us going. Ask your questions in the comments.